This is the Aeropress. It's a coffee maker. It's kind of like a mix between a drip filter and a French press. It also looks like a big syringe. It's been on the market for a few years now. You can get it at a few cooking stores and online for a little under 30 bucks. Here's how it works. It comes in two parts, so you pull it apart first, then twist the bottom off. Put one of those little paper filters on the bottom, and then twist it back on. If you're just making a cup of coffee, give it 2 scoops. If you want to make 2, obviously you double it. Give it enough hot water for a cup or however much you're making. The instructions say it should be about 175 degrees, but I really wouldn't lose sleep over it. You know, wait a couple minutes after it's boiled and you're good. Once the chamber's on top of the coffee mug, pour the water until it hits the 2 marker. This is actually making espresso right now, so we don't need a lot of hot water. Stir it for about 10 seconds. Push the plunger all the way to the bottom of the chamber. Then you want to dilute it with about a cup of water. And then that's it. You're good. My favorite part, though, is the cleanup. You twist the bottom off one last time, and then you push the grounds out the same way the water went, and the chamber is totally clean. And that's the Aeropress.